Hey, I'm Kent the elephant. How are you today? Would you like to play a game? We're going to play Match Correctly. Yay! Here we go! So we've got to match correctly. We've got 8 words and 8 pictures. Let's have a go. I can see the word cat. K-A-T. Can you see a cat? Yes, on the right-hand top. Well done. You matched correctly. Cat. Brilliant. Now we have the word van. V-A-N. And there it is on the right-hand side. Well done. Amazing! You matched the word van. Mat. M-A-T. No, that's a hat. Yes, well done. On the bottom. And there it is. A mat. Brilliant. Ooh, can. Soda can. That's right. Well done. You matched correctly. Can. Ooh, which one shall we do next? Ham? That looks like meat to me. Yay, well done. You matched correctly. Ham. Hat. There it is on the left-hand side. Excellent. Hat. Yay. Sad. S-A-D. Oh, he looks rather sad, doesn't he? I think that's right. Yay, you did it. You matched correctly. Sit. S-I-T. Well, there's one left on the bottom, and he is sitting, so that must be it. Yay! Well done! You're great at this matching game. Let's go again. Some more 3-letter words and pictures which match. Can we match them correctly? Pan. P-A-N. Can you see it? There it is! On the bottom. It's a frying pan. Well done! Pan. Jam. J-A. I love jam. There it is, bottom left-hand corner. A jam jar. Wonder what flavour it is. Looks like strawberry. Map. M-A-P. There it is on the bottom. X marks the spot. Brilliant. Well done. Good matching. Rat. R-A-T. Oh, there it is. Well done. You are getting so good at this matching game. Yes, you are. Bag. B-A-G. On the left-hand side. Well done. You matched correctly. Tag. T-A-G. There it is on the left-hand side again. Fantastic. A tag. You might put your tag on a bag. Man. M-A-N. On the right-hand side. Yay! A very happy man too. Well done. Man, you matched correctly. Bat. B-A-T. And there it is, of course, flying through the sky. Yay! Bat! Brilliant! Well done, kids. You are amazing at matching the words correctly. Let's do it again sometime. Yay! See you soon. Bye.
You're watching Kent the Elephant.